Good evening, and welcome to Vortex Production. Today, we take you inside the secret world of the US dollar factory. This is one of the most protected places in America, where the world's most secure currency begins its journey. The process begins with a special paper made from 75% cotton and 25% linen. This blend gives the dollar its strength, durability, and unique texture.
The raw fibers are cleaned, pressed, and converted into thick sheets that will soon become currency. Security fibers are added clammed, tiny red and blue threads embedded inside every authentic dollar. These fibers are nearly impossible to replicate, making counterfeiting extremely difficult. A security strip is inserted, a thin thread carrying microtext and denomination codes.
Under ultraviolet light, this strip glows to confirm authenticity. Under ultraviolet light, this strip glows to confirm authenticity.
Now begins intaglio printing, where heavy plates press deep, detailed into the paper. This creates the raised texture you can feel when touching a real dollar bill.
These engraved lines are so fine, no ordinary printer can reproduce them. Next, the dollar receives its signature green ink, kata, recognized around the world. This ink includes color-shifting pigments that change under different angles of light.
Each portrait consists of thousands of tiny engraved lines to prevent forgery. Now, the back of the bill is printed too. The eagle, shields, and symbolic artwork. Front and back must align perfectly or even the slightest shift is rejected. Serial numbers are stamped next, giving each bill its unique identity.
Every dollar can be tracked worldwide through its serial number.
Bills are printed in large sheets containing 2 or 5th note each. These sheets move into precision cutting machines that slice them into individual bills.
A single millimeter of error is enough to scrap an entire sheet.
Every sheet goes through high-speed optical inspection for defects.
AI systems analyze over 100 parameters: color, texture, alignment, and density. Bills that fail inspection are immediately shredded for security.
Only flawless bills move forward to the final approval stage.
Workers verify random samples manually using magnifying devices. UV and infrared light reveal hidden patterns invisible to the human eye.
Microprinting, watermarks, and shifting inks are checked for perfect clarity.
Security features must be flawless, yivrim, even the smallest error acceptable. Some bills undergo a durability test to ensure they survive years of use.
Bills are stretched, folded, and rubbed to test their strength.
Thanks to the cotton-linen blend, dollars withstand wear and tear easily.
Once approved, the bills move to counting stages, where machines tally thousands per minute. Each stack contains exactly 100 perfectly aligned notes.
Straps and seals identify the denomination, batch, and date of production. Straps and seals identify the denomination, batch, and date of production. Bundles are wrapped in tamper-proof material to prevent interference. Large bricks of money are packed into secure metal containers.
Every container is tagged and logged for Federal Reserve distribution.
The finished bills are sent to Federal Reserve banks across the country.
Armored vehicles transport the currency under heavy security. Armed guards escort every shipment to prevent theft or tampering.
Armed guards escort every shipment to prevent theft or tampering.
Inside the trucks, GPS tracking monitors every movement.
Shipments arrive at Federal Reserve vaults, some of the most secure vaults on Earth. These vaults store billions of dollars before they enter circulation.
Humidity and temperature are controlled to protect the currency.
Only authorized personnel with multi-step verification can enter.
Inside, automated systems move stacks with robotic precision.
Every brick is scanned and recorded in the Federal Reserve database.
Banks request cash based on demand, and the Reserve releases the needed supply.
Old or damaged bills are returned here to be destroyed.
Shredded currency is recycled into materials like insulation or souvenirs.
New bills gradually replace the old ones in circulation.
The average dollar stays in circulation for about 6 to 8 years.
Higher denominations, like the $100 bill, last even longer.
Every year, billions of new dollars are printed to meet global demand. The US dollar remains the world's most trusted currency. From raw cotton to global circulation, every step is engineered for perfection. This is the story of how America creates the world's most secure money.